In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch organizations and manage settings and members in Asana. Let's get started right from your computer. Open your browser on your PC and head to asana.com. On the homepage, click Login, then sign in using your usual method. Once you're in, you'll land in your current Asana workspace or organization. If you need to switch to a different organization, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. A menu will open. Under the Accounts section, you'll see a list of organizations and workspaces tied to your account. Click the organization you want to switch to. As soon as you select it, Asana will take you into that organization and you'll see its projects, teams, and tasks. If you collaborate across multiple groups, this is a quick way to make sure you're working in the right place. Now, if you're an admin and need to update organization details, stay in the top right corner and click your profile picture again. Choose Admin Console from the menu. This is where organization level controls live. In the Admin Console, select Settings. Here you can edit the organization name and adjust other available settings to match your company's standards. Make your changes carefully, review them, and confirm when you're satisfied. If you don't see the Admin Console, your account may not have admin permissions in this organization, so you'll need to contact an existing admin to proceed. Next, let's manage members. Still within the Admin Console, go to the Members section. This view shows who currently has access to the organization and what their status is. To bring new people in, click Invite Members. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to add. Using their official work email helps keep things organized and secure. When you're ready, click Send Invites. Those recipients will get an invitation to join the organization, and once they accept, they'll appear in your member list. From there, you can organize them into teams and projects as needed. A quick recap before we wrap up. Open your browser, go to asana.com, and log in. To switch organizations, click your profile picture and choose the right one under Accounts. If you're an admin and need to update details, go to the Admin Console, open Settings, and edit the organization name or other available options. To grow your team, head to Members, click Invite Members, add their email addresses, and send the invites. That's it. You're now ready to switch organizations, update settings, and invite members in Asana with confidence.